I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. You focus on the build, we'll focus on the books.
Learn how to create and edit invoices with multiple line items in Xero using JAX. To begin, click JAX in the top right corner of your screen. Then, click into the search bar to type your question or request. In this example, let's ask JAX to create an invoice for Katie for 2 days cleaning for $250 each. To submit the request to JAX, either hit Enter or click the arrow. JAX will process for a moment and then confirm it has created a draft invoice. JAX will also provide the invoice number along with details of the draft invoice. If you realize that you need to add a few more items to the draft invoice, you can simply ask JAX to add them on. Let's take a look at how JAX can edit the invoice for us. In the search box, enter Edit the invoice to include laundry service for $50. JAX will think for a moment and then confirm that the invoice has now been edited to include the new line items along with an updated total price. If you want to edit an existing invoice, change the request to include the invoice number. For example, edit invoice 170 to include carpet cleaning for $150. You'll see JAX has edited the invoice to include the new line items along with an updated total price. Click the link to open the invoice and review the edits made by JAX. Once you're happy with the changes, you can ask JAX to send the invoice for you or resend the invoice to your customer yourself. Click the 3 dots in the top right of the screen, then click Email. Review the draft email. Then, when you're ready to continue, click Send Email. Use JAX to help streamline your sales processes and create better relationships with your customers.